Bridging the Gap, Mastering Conjunctive Adverbs in English. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to explore a fascinating part of English grammar, conjunctive adverbs. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together so it becomes clear, manageable, and fun. Conjunctive adverbs are powerful tools that can enrich your sentences by providing transitions and connections between ideas. So what exactly are conjunctive adverbs? Well, they are words that function primarily as adverbs, modifying verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. But they have a special role to play. They link ideas together by showing comparison, contrast, sequence, cause-effect, and other relationships. Words like however, therefore, moreover, consequently, are all examples of conjunctive adverbs. Here's an example. I was tired. Nevertheless, I went to the gym. Nevertheless, here is acting as a bridge between two separate thoughts, showing a contrast. Now, let's delve into how to use conjunctive adverbs correctly. They can appear at various places in a clause, often at the beginning, and they are usually followed by a comma. For example, additionally, I like to read books. Here, additionally, starts the sentence, adding extra information to a previous statement. It's important to remember that when a conjunctive adverb connects two independent clauses, it should be preceded by a semicolon and followed by a comma. For example, I love ice cream. However, I can't eat it every day. The best way to learn conjunctive adverbs is to practice. I encourage you to start integrating them into your daily language usage. Try writing sentences using however, therefore, consequently, meanwhile, additionally, and so on. For example, therefore, it's important to practice regularly. Or, she was late to the party. Meanwhile, her friends were waiting. Don't be afraid to play around with the positioning of these words in your sentences, but remember to follow the grammatical rules we discussed. Well, that's a wrap on conjunctive adverbs, folks. We've explored what they are, how to use them, and even practiced a bit. Keep experimenting with these useful words, and you'll soon see a big leap in your English language skills. As always, stay curious, keep learning, and never stop practicing. See you in the next video. Happy learning!